So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna show you one of the best trick that you can use AI videos unlimited, and you have to just follow the instruction on my screen. So just go to the Google Chrome, Google Sites Waits, and therefore you will see multiple links on the Google page. So you have to select the one of the major site, that is it's Google site, Google Waits. Click on that, then click on the Get Started. As soon as you will click on the Get Started, it will redirect you to a new page. You have to just follow the instruction on the screen. Click on the View 2.3 New. You will get multiple option here. You can just select first one, and then you have to type the script depending upon what you want to create. So suppose I'm typing like Tom and Jerry playing Rum in the House, and then after typing it, you simply have to click on the generate button, and as soon as you click on the generate, it will start generating a video for you. Make sure that it will generate only max up to 8 seconds, so you have to click on multiple time for generating multiple videos. So yeah, I have generated one, and you can see the sample over here there, and here it is. You can click on the insert button and
Rummy! I win again, Tom!
Why, you miserable little cheat! I'll get you for this!
so it's very simple. As you have seen the video, it's generated where you can generate this multiple times. So I'm generating a new sample video for you so that you can understand this better. So I'm writing like Mario playing the old version of its own game, and as soon as you type, just click, make sure you can type the realistic script so that it will generate realistic scenes depending upon what you want to create or what you want to use in your edits. So I'm just typing the Mario scene over here, and I will click on the generate, and it will start to generate. And if you face any of the issues, make sure you comment in the comment box, and I will definitely help you in this. As you can see, the sample video has been created again, and I will just click on the insert, and you will see the sample over here. So this was the sample. You can give the voiceover, you can give multiple images from selecting over this. You can copy the command, and you can give the command over to generation area. It will generate depending upon what you want to generate. You can just record, you can just upload, you can get the stock images or music from there, and you simply can add your video and give it a charm. But make sure at the end you will get a VEO watermark that you can, I think, remove from the aspect ratio like 4:3 or 4:5, and you can crop this. And as simple as that. As an editor, you know all these things. And top right corner, you can see the download as MP4 or download as GIF, depending upon what you want to download as, and you can use this. It will be saved in your wherever you want to save it, and it will go directly into your PC storage area. And I can show you, like, I got it in my Z folder, and I will play it, and you can see, yes, it has been downloaded. Yeah, the watermark you have to remember. You can crop it and you can use it later. Thank you so much. Peace out.